We are exploring the most mysterious experiment in physics, the double-slit setup. You will learn how tiny particles, like electrons, can act like both waves and tiny balls. We will first examine the setup, then the shocking results, and finally the strange effect of watching the experiment. The setup involves a source firing particles toward a wall with two vertical openings or slits. Behind the slits is a screen that records where the particles land. If we fire large particles like tiny paintballs, we expect two distinct lines on the screen. This pattern is typical for physical objects that act only as particles. Now, let us fire electrons, which are extremely small pieces of matter, at the slits. When we spray many electrons at the slits, we do not get two lines. Instead, we see many light and dark bands across the screen. This striped pattern is called an interference pattern. Only waves, like water ripples or light, create this type of interference by overlapping. This result suggests that each electron acts like a spreading wave until it hits the screen. Building on that, what happens if we watch the electrons to see which slit they pass through? We place a tiny detector near the slits to observe the path of each electron. Surprisingly, as soon as we measure the path, the interference pattern disappears completely. The pattern instantly changes back to the two distinct lines we expected earlier for particles. Scientists call this sudden change the collapse of the wavefunction. When unobserved, the electron is described by probability, passing through both slits at once. Observation collapses this probability into a single, definite particle path. Let us reflect. If you remove the detector, the wave pattern immediately returns. The double-slit experiment clearly demonstrates wave-particle duality. Matter, like the electron, can exist as both a probability wave and a definite particle. This amazing result shows the physical nature depends entirely on being measured. Keep exploring how observation shapes our understanding of reality at the smallest scale. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.